Hello, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this daily analysis, we're gonna analyze the gold market for today or for the upcoming days. And as per you can see there, that was our yesterday's analysis, and we told that there was a bearish flag pattern formed, and that analysis moves more than 1000 pips. Okay, more than 1000 pips, and we will make another analysis for today. So let's remove all of the previous drawing and let's check the market movement or where can market move for today. Okay, so let's get back a daily time frame first to check the market direction. As you can see there is previous 3 days there was a bearish movement from the market, and today for the first time in this week market is trying to move bullish. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why market is trying to move bullish, and the reason behind it is Donald Trump statement. You may check Donald Trump's statement on Twitter or Truth Social, so you may clear about that issue. That means fundamental reason to go buy. Okay, and let's get back to H1 time frame to find out or directly find out our entry. And if I want to draw some trend line zone or support and resistance zone, and if I want to draw trend line zone right about there to there, let me make it perfect first. Okay, as you can see there is a little bit perfect right now. And another thing to draw here, as you can see there is a lower trend line zone. Okay, another trend line zone. So as per you can see there, as per trend line breakout strategy, it can give us a pullback, then we can take buy entry. But in that case, high volatility in the market, and that's why gold is rapidly growing right now. So maybe we aren't able to see what we aren't able to see pullback or something like that. Okay, and if you especially want to talk about resistance area, so there is no major resistance area although, but we can set that area as a buffer zone. That means you can take any trade or entry in this particular area. You have to wait till breakout, either pullback. Okay, then we can take entry. Okay, so let's find out our scalping entry on M15 time frame. As per you can see there, let's remove the resistance area, and as you can see there, let me remove all of the previous drawing to make a better understanding to make a better clear chart. Okay, as you can see there is also a breakout from what, from 15-minute time frame chart. Okay, this is the current scenario, and as you can see there, as per the breakout pullback theory or breakout pullback strategy, it gives us a breakout, again pullback, and again just trying to buy or rapidly growing. Okay, and for the lower trend line, as per you can see there, same as the H1 time frame, as you can see, this is following our channel, or as you can see there is 1 time, 2 time, and it may come again over here, then we can take buy entry. Okay, and for upper zone there is a supply area, as you can see there. Smart money or smart SMC traders, maybe SMC traders will take a chance over there to take sell entry, but I want to tell you market trend is buy for today, so you have to consider buy. Either it give us a breakout from there where it can give us sell. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what if it go for sell? Okay, for sellers, we have to wait for the breakout, then pullback, then again we can take our entry over there. Okay, and you can take entry or sell around this particular area without major confirmation. With a small a little bit confirmation, you can take entry over there. Okay, I can see there another trend line. If I want to draw, as you can see there, this is the trend line or trend area. Okay, that can be our another trend area. Okay, as you can see there, seller was trying to or seller tried to sell over there. There is a bearish candle, and but market unable to go down, it's just trying to rapidly growing. Okay, and this is current scenario, what is happening around the market. So what for now you may wait for breakout, then wait for pullback till this particular area, then we can take buy entry. Or otherwise, if it give us a sell confirmation like that, if it move bearish, then we will wait for the pullback again and we can take sell entry. Okay, we are posting a lot of analysis into our public Telegram channel, so you may join there to get a lot of analysis, multi-time frame analysis, and news analysis. That means what are Donald Trump talking about, what is happening around the world, and geopolitical issues and trade wars. Each and everything you will get in one platform, which is t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. If you are seeing this video from YouTube, you may check our video description box to get our Telegram channel link. So that's for now. Mr. signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.